Now serving for Nevada, phase 1 is Alaina Bautista. Picked up by Atimayan, and a service ace for Alaina Bautista. Again, serving is Alaina Bautista for phase 1. Picked up by Atiangge. 6-2. And it's a point for Lian Pitoy. Time out for El Pueblo. Our official score is 5-1 in favor of Sierra Nevada. Phase 1. Again, maraming salamat po. Congressman Oni Ferrer, City Mayor John Ferrer, Vice Mayor John Labugan at Sangguniang Pangmasod ng City of General Trias, Punang Barangay Ryan Tabawan Santo at Sangguniang Barangay ng Barangay San Francisco, and of course, there's Sangguniang Kabataan of Central. Let's go back to the ballgame. Again, on the next serving is Alaina Bautista. Pick up by Adikini, forecast, 6 to Ate Kim. Pick up by Penny Floor. Still good. Ignaco, 6 to Pitoy. Pick up by Levante, chance ball for phase 1. Ignaco, 6 to Pitoy again. Outside. Point for El Pueblo. Official score is 5-2 in favor of phase 1. Vinny De Los Santos serving for El Pueblo. Pick up by Santi. Bautista. Chance ball offered by Pitoy. Forecast sends to JB. Nakakuha ni Peña Flor. Ignaco sends to Pitoy. Pick up by Makapagal. Forecast sends to Adikin, still good. Sends to Tami. Nakakuha ni Casey. Forecast sends to JB, block, still good. Kim. Rebalde, nakakuha ni Bautista. Ignaco sends to Bautista. Drop. Pick up. Sends to Casey sa backline. And backline hit is good for Casey. Rebalde. Still serving is Vinny De Los Santos. Pick up by Santi. Ignaco looks for Pitoy. Drop, still good. Forecast, sends to Kim. Dinala kay Santi. Ignaco looks for Tami. Nakakuha ni Casey. Forecast, sends to Ate Kim. Nakakuha ni Peña Flor. Sends to Pitoy. And it's Leon Pitoy for Sierra Nevada, phase 1. Official score is 6-3. Now serving for phase 1 is Tami Luki. Not over 3 points for El Pueblo. After 2 men's volleyball, ang ating basketball 5 p.m.